guys, we're back today with another episode of ZD's Garage. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new LED headlight brand called Auxito. They're new to me at least. Auxito was nice enough to send me these lights for free for an honest review to let them know how I feel about their product and to show their product on my channel. I'm going to be removing my headlight housings today because they're getting a little bit yellow. They're not OEM. There's some aftermarket eBay headlight housings. They've held up good as long as I've had them in the car, but we're going to sand those down. We're going to clear coat them, get them back nice and clear so I can give a more honest review about this product. I think this is going to be a nice upgrade from like your standard H4 headlight bulb. I don't do tons of night driving, but I'm going to show y'all some videos of me driving at night with the new headlights, and you'll be able to see how clear they are and how well they hold up. I'm going to put a referral link for Auxito in the description, and I'm also going to give y'all code ZD's Garage for 15% off your next order. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed. I'll show y'all what came in the box. I have not opened them yet. They're still wrapped up. So let's get into it. Okay, so what we got here is just a simple mixture of water and soap that's gonna help clean these, help the sandpaper not cut quite as hard, and it's also gonna help degrease a little bit. I have some acrylic lacquer. It's an outdoor formula. It should hold up fine. These are some cheap eBays, as I mentioned earlier, so at some point I'll probably get some better housings. But for right now, we're gonna be using this clear. I'm gonna be starting with some 800. Then going to 1,000, 1,500, and finishing with 2,000. And then we'll put some clear coat on these things. One important thing you want to pay attention to is flash times on the can. It's going to tell you, for instance, this one says dries to touch in 20 minutes, can handle in 1 hour, fully dry in 24, apply second coat within an hour or after 24 hours. Now, if you do not listen to those flash times, you will most likely end up with a wrinkle. It's like almost like a chemical reaction because one layer is not cured and then you're covering it up. So another thing to keep in mind when you're applying this clear that I've found, when you're doing headlights, if you try to mop it on the first coat, it's going to come out bad. It's actually going to look just as foggy as it is now. So you really just want to kind of breeze one pass over that. And pretty quickly you're going to see how this goes from hazy to clear. and that's all you want to do. You want to let it dry from there. You can reapply. I would recommend letting it sit in the sun, fully cure, before you reapply. That way you have no issues. But you know, it looks just brand new now. Looks like glass. This was a quick job, a little 30-minute sand, a little bit of elbow grease, and your headlights could look like this too. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and do the other one. And bam, brand new. Okay guys, now that my headlights have cured, they're not fully cured like 24 hours or anything, but they are cured to the touch. So we're gonna go ahead and get the car back together. I am using the white bulb gloves that came with my Auxito headlights here. We're gonna go ahead and install those bulbs real quick. Oh wow, and it looks like we have a little bit of a surprise here. Shout out to Auxito, because apparently I was already running Auxito LEDs. Now the ones they sent me are a lot better and a lot more powerful, it appears, than these, but these have been great. I put these in probably a year and a half ago, and I can see everything at night. Absolutely great. I could see them through the yellow lenses. So shout out to Auxito, because I didn't even realize I was running them. But let's go ahead and get those new upgraded ones in. So you'll notice there's a metal clip in here. Let's see if I can get it out real quick. Then we're just gonna line up the tabs, how they correspond. And you're gonna notice pretty quick that there's like a large tab, a small tab, and so on. And then this little clip's just gonna go down in here and keep tension on the headlight itself. Let me see if I can get it to catch. Okay, so it's a little tough to get the clip on these headlights, but that has nothing to do with the bulb itself. It's just a cheaper housing. So I have my new bulbs in. I like that they're a one-piece design like that. In the past with HIDs, you had a ballast and stuff that would burn out quite frequently, or sometimes not turn on if they weren't on a relay circuit. So this is going to be nice. It looks like the fan is self-contained inside the bulb itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one in, and get both headlights, bumper back on, and then when it gets dark out, I'm gonna flip the headlights on and show y'all how bright they are. Alright guys, so it's nighttime now, and I just want to show y'all how the lenses turned out. Very clear, all looks great. The Auxito LEDs are insanely bright, especially with the new clears. It's crazy I was already running their product and did not realize it, but I'm super happy. These were definitely an upgrade from the ones I had, and you can tell like the light is just crazy. I am gonna take a quick run to the grocery store, and I'll try to grab some footage driving, but overall, like, these are amazing, and I'm super excited to use their products in the future. Don't forget, use code ZD's Garage on your next order for 15% off.